In our business, we cherish the feedback we get from our customers. So when we receive great reviews, we just have to share it. They were so excited about the great customer service they received, they went online and left this review. Here's what one of them had to say. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So let us put our thousands of hours of knowledge and experience and 5-star customer service to work for you today, and find out how we earn great reviews like this one from one of our happy customers. We appreciate you stopping by, and we're happy to answer any questions you might have. We are only one call away from serving you.